Hey, welcome back to my channel Hawk Academy. Today I discuss about the VLOOKUP function and HLOOKUP function, which is very important in Excel. Okay, let's start. VLOOKUP means vertical lookup, HLOOKUP means horizontal lookup. Here you see that the sales data and its customer name, is customer ID and order, state and amount. Okay, we try to find out the customer ID, amount against this name reference. Okay, and here you see that also HLOOKUP, this is horizontal lookup. Okay, and we also try to find out this data against this name reference. In this function of Excel, that reference data to match a table array. A table array or a group of data in display the output. The difference between this referencing function, VLOOKUP means column lookup and HLOOKUP means reference with the row. Okay, so we try to find out this by action. Here you see that VLOOKUP and VLOOKUP value, table array and column index and range. Okay, and we try to find out the value, customer ID, order, state name, etc. against this reference, Mr. Bob Smith. And first of all, lookup value, which value we try to find out. Actually we try to find out the value against this reference. That's why first of all we select this and table array. Okay, this is table array, that means it's data source, and column index. Column index, first of all we select column index against this. Column index means 2. Okay, this is column index and we select false. Okay, enter. You see that the customer ID are bring here, and we drop down this. Here you see that customer ID are bring here. Okay, and we try to find out the order number against this reference. First of all we write VLOOKUP and lookup value. Okay, table array and column index number 3, because of you see that 1, 2 and 3 number column, 3 number column order, and false. Enter. You see that order number are bring here. And we now try to find out the state name. What is the name of this state? Lookup, and we select the array name, and now we write here number 4 column. Okay, number 4 column, and we select here false. If it's not exact match, then it will false. Okay, now we try to find out the amount of this area against this reference, and here we write here VLOOKUP and lookup value and table array. Okay, and this name 5, and here we also select this false and close bracket, enter. You see that here find out the 50. The value are completely bring here against this name reference. Okay, this is VLOOKUP function. You can also find out this value against any name, any digit, etc. Okay, and from millions of data you can find out this amount, the state name, order and customer. Only one reference cell or reference indicator. Okay, now we try to find out the HLOOKUP. Okay, this is horizontal HLOOKUP, and the HLOOKUP function is used when we have to set a horizontal data. And here you see that this is horizontal data, the same data, but it's horizontal, it was vertical, that's why it's HLOOKUP. Okay, with row and retrieve the right information we are looking. Okay, the right information, the right set information we are looking. We try to find out this. Here you write HLOOKUP. Okay, lookup value in the top row of the table or array of value and return the value in the same column from a row you specify. Okay, HLOOKUP, and here you see that lookup value. Okay, lookup value, this is lookup value, and table array, this is table array, and row index number, we try to find the customer ID against this name reference, and here write true, and false we select exact match. If it's exact match, we select this. Here you see that 151 against the Bob Smith, this customer ID of Mr. Bob Smith 151, and we try to trace this, and here you see that 234162. And we also try to another HLOOKUP function. Here you see that lookup value Bob Smith and table array, and now we try to find out the order against this reference. Here now we press here 3 and we select false and close bracket, enter, and we try to here, and we also try another HLOOKUP, which is the name of the state of this customer. Okay, and this is VLOOKUP value, and we try to select this area, and here now we try to write here 4, and we select the false and also enter. Here you see that the state name. Okay, and you see that Bob Smith, Amy Change, and Sue Martin are the customer ID, order, and state name are shown in here. Okay, these two lookup functions are very important for Excel user. Okay, VLOOKUP works when the table is vertically set up, and HLOOKUP works when the table set up in horizontal. Okay, so that's all about today's lesson. Hope that you understand well, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel Hawk Academy, and stay tuned with me for your Excel journey. Thank you so much.